Monster Filter Tutorial. Welcome to the Monster Filter tutorial. First, select your game window. Click Select Game Window in the upper right corner, choose your game window, then click Apply or press Enter. Next, go to the Other Action row and locate the Target E section. Click the Filter button to enable Monster Filter. The Monster Filter menu will open. Before using this feature, you need to configure the detection region. Click the Settings Gear button next to the Filter button. Once the monster detection configuration window opens, click Set Target Name Region. Now drag a selection around the monster's name. Make sure the region fits the monster's name accurately, as this area will be used for detection. Next, click Set HP Bar Point. Click once at one end of the monster's HP bar, then click the other end. If you want a perfectly straight line, hold the Control key while selecting the second point. This step is optional. On the right side of the window, you'll see the Vision Stream preview and several additional settings. For this tutorial, we'll focus only on Monster Filter. Now let's configure Stuck Detection. Below the HP bar settings, you'll find the Stuck Detection options. Adjust the delay based on your preference. The recommended value is between 5 and 7 seconds. There are two interaction types available: mouse click and key press. Mouse click is recommended for servers other than Kathana on Steam. Key press is recommended for Kathana on Steam. The purpose of Stuck Detection is to automatically perform a self-target action at the specified interval. This helps reset your current target, allowing VetBot to quickly switch to the next valid monster whenever the current target becomes invalid or gets stuck. For mouse click, click the icon button, then move your cursor to the preview window and set the click point on your character's HP or TP bar. For key press, simply assign your self-target hotkey. For Kathana on Steam, the recommended key is the backtick key. Once everything is configured, click Apply Config or simply press Enter. Don't forget to enable the toggle switch before continuing. Next, let's look at the Monster Filter modes. Monster Filter supports two filter modes, Whitelist and Blacklist. I highly recommend using Whitelist because it provides much faster and more accurate target selection. To maximize retargeting speed, VetBot uses the Hybrid Vision Engine, which includes two detection methods, Mask Mode and OCR Mode. I strongly recommend using Mask Mode whenever possible. Mask Mode is significantly faster, uses much less CPU, and remains accurate regardless of the background behind the monster's name. For easier setup, enable Floating Mode. This allows you to quickly add monsters while playing. Now let's learn how to use OCR Mode. Using OCR Mode is very simple. Just type the monster's name into the text box. For example, enter Vasabum, then click the purple plus button, or simply press Enter. The monster will automatically be added using OCR mode. Next, let's learn how to use Mask Mode. Mask Mode works a little differently. First, target the monster you want to add inside the game. Then right-click the purple plus button to scan the selected monster. VetBot will automatically detect the monster's name and fill in the text box. If the detected name is correct, simply left-click the purple plus button or press Enter to add it to the list. The monster will automatically use Mask Mode. Remember, left-click adds the monster to the list. Right-click scans the selected monster. For the best performance, I recommend using Mask Mode for every monster whenever possible. Finally, let's test Monster Filter in-game. As you can see, VetBot only attacks monsters that are included in your filter list. Invalid targets are skipped automatically, allowing VetBot to retarget extremely fast and accurately. Monster Filter also automatically ignores unwanted targets such as Avara, Kara, Dadadi, Summons, and other invalid monsters. That's it. Enjoy using VetBot. Play smarter, not harder.